about the Grindulu River in Pacitan Regency, East Java? The Grindulu River is a river in East Java, Java Island, Indonesia. It flows in the Pacitan Regency area, starting from Mount Gembes on the border of Jeruk village and Bangunsari village in Bandar District, then passes through Tegalombo District, Arjosari District, Pacitan District, and empties into the Indian Ocean, precisely in Ploso Village. The Grindulu River is approximately 70 kilometers long and flows in a northeast-southwest direction, then turns south. This river is very suitable for enjoying the atmosphere in the morning, according to what I did in this video. The equipment we carry is in the form of glasses, coffee grinder knives, tables, chairs, and other bustcraft tools. What is no less important for enjoying the morning and the river is bringing the typical Indonesian Gayo Coffee beans, which we will make later. Before starting this activity, we get used to cleaning the location first so that we are aware of the environment we will use to relax. The three of us always divide the tasks in carrying out this activity, including cleaning the environment, arranging chairs and tables, and preparing equipment for making drinks. Before making coffee, I will give you information about what Gayo Coffee is. Gayo Coffee is one of the most expensive and highest quality coffee in the world. This is because of the uniqueness and taste of Gayo Coffee, which feels very right on the tongue. Enjoying Gayo Coffee begins with its strong taste and character. Gayo Coffee has a taste that is not bitter and has low acidity and a touch of sweetness. That's why Gayo Coffee is often used as a mixture for various house blend coffees. We grind the coffee manually using the coarse grind method. The size of the ground coffee affects when the coffee is extracted, when the coffee is first run through water. The average manual grinder takes 1 minute to hand grind coffee beans for 1 cup of coffee. Because there were 3 of us, we grinded for about 5 minutes. For the best brewed coffee ratio, we use 1 tablespoon, which is equivalent to 15 grams using a 140 milliliters cup. In general, the ratio often used is 1 to 15. This means we need to pour 15 grams of warm water for every gram of black coffee you use. This ratio is believed to be able to assist in an ideal extraction process. Then we divided the coffee that we had brewed with hot water into 3 cups. We deliberately didn't use sugar to get maximum and pure bitter coffee extraction. While enjoying Gayo Coffee, we chatted warmly and freely. Apart from that, we like taking photos and videos with our coffee. The Grindulu River is very suitable for enjoying the atmosphere and enjoying coffee in the morning. If we are lucky, we will be able to see groups of fishermen passing by looking for fish, thus adding to the excitement of enjoying this place. Are you interested in this place and Gayo Coffee? Discussion in the comments column about these 2 things. Thank you.